Sassy Shif Says. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope December is treating you all really well. And with December, that means it's the holiday season. That means a lot of parties, which also translates to a lot of travel and consumption of junk food. I, for one, am guilty of doing that, but that also means that you have to take extra care of your skin. Your skin definitely needs extra attention and love, especially during the holiday season. But the problem always is lack of time. I mean, we do not have time, especially dedicated time that we can give every single day at the end of the day or at the start of the day for our skincare, right? Especially during holiday season, which is like the busiest and the craziest season of the year. So ever since I got my hands on Althea's Real Fresh Skin Detoxers, I have been obsessed with finding skin masks that can actually be washed off within a minute or less or so that way it ensures that I don't have to spend dedicated time, lay on my bed or just doze off while I have my mask on my face, or I do not have time at times and I have to skip it and then my skin suffers. So I got my hands on one special cream mask, which is actually a clay to cream form bubbly mask, and it is a 3-in-1 mask which can be washed off in just 30 seconds. Isn't that amazing? So if you want to know all about this cool bubbly clay to cream mask, then keep on watching. Firstly, let's just talk about the packaging. Like all the other Althea products, Althea exclusive products, I like the really simple, straightforward and minimalistic packaging, and the color blue and white actually reminds me of the milk bottles or milk cartons. So how do you actually use this mask? All you have to do is first remember to dampen and wet your skin a little bit. Do not just apply it directly on your face, because otherwise you won't be able to evenly spread it out on your face. After you've applied it evenly on your face, let it sit there for at least 30 seconds. You can wash it anywhere between 30 to 60 seconds. And after you see this clay mask transforming to this bubbling lather foam on your face, that's your cue to wash it off within 10 seconds after that. Let's talk about the benefits of this 3-in-1 bubbling clay mask. It definitely has made my skin softer, because this is like the 4th time I'm using the product. I got this product 3 weeks back, but I ensured that I have used it at least 3 to 4 times before I sit down to review it. So I see a difference in my enlarged pores. I see that my skin actually feels tighter, softer, and definitely hydrated and moisturized. This mask is ideal for all skin types, but I have super sensitive to combination skin, and it has worked perfectly fine on my skin type. And also, when you see the foaming, the rich lather, when it's formed on your face, you can actually massage it nicely, gently in circular motions, and it'll also help you get rid of that extra dead cells or skin on your face. This is also known to even out and take care of your rough skin. So if you are like me, who uses makeup a lot on a daily basis, then this is going to be a really handy 3-in-1 cleansing mask, which also peels, exfoliates and moisturizes. I think this baby is really going to be handy when I'm traveling, because imagine you don't need to carry an additional exfoliator, you don't need to carry an additional moisturizer. This will do the job on its own. I love that it actually comes with a pump as opposed to the tube masks that you have. This is priced at $9, which comes down to approximately 671 rupees. But in return, the product that you get is around 50 ml. So that is quite generous and affordable. Let's talk about the ingredients. This product is cruelty-free as well, like other Althea exclusive products. And this also contains milk protein, which is known to moisturize your skin and keep it hydrated and nourished. It also contains AHA and BHA, which are known to exfoliate your skin and keep it purified. And the key ingredient is kaolin, which acts as a deep cleanser. So now my final thoughts about this product, yay or nay. It's definitely yay for me, and it is a must-have, especially if you too travel like me, are on the go, and if you too are a lazy girl like me and you don't want to waste so much time, dedicate so much time to skincare, especially when you're hitting the bed. You can just slap this on your face 30 or 40 seconds before you hit the bed, right after you brush, and you are sorted for the night. I would like to give a personal tip since I've used this product personally for the last 3 weeks now. This product contains AHA and BHA like I mentioned, but those ingredients are also known to dry out your skin, since these are the key ingredients that will exfoliate the dead layer of your skin. So don't be scared if this over dries your skin or you see dryness on your skin. But what you can do is, if you have dry patches like me, so this is my dry patch area and this is my dry patch area, the rest of my face is super oily, super sensitive. So what I would do is apply a little less mask or apply a little less product, or just skip this area when it comes to applying masks that have AHA or BHA in general, so that the rest of my face is nourished and hydrated. But this area I will skip it out because I don't want this area over drying, or I don't want this area exfoliated. So if you do have extra dry skin, then I would say make sure that you take little lesser product. Another thing what you can do is wash it off within 30 seconds flat. Don't leave it on for a minute, or don't leave it on for 45-50 seconds. Wash it off in 30 seconds and you are fine, so that you will see your skin is not over dried, but at the same time you get maximum benefit out of this product. So that is it guys, that was my review and first impressions about Althea's Milk Peel Cream Mask, which is a bubbling mask and a 30 seconds only mask, which has 3-in-1 properties and is travel friendly and definitely worth a check out. I'll be linking the product below in the description box so you can check it out. Make sure to like, share, subscribe and keep coming back for more such videos. But before I go, I would love to hear your reviews. Are you a lazy girl like me too, or do you like skincare which is quick, which is non-time consuming, and did you like this product or have you used this before? I would love to hear your thoughts on this. Until then, keep it sassy.